Let's Surron! Hello everyone, today is going to be epic because I'm back on the Surron Lightbee and I haven't ridden this beast since we transformed it into a tricycle a few videos back. Oh! Oh no, something's broken. We've come here to this epic quarry location. There's loads of tracks, hill climbs and little jumps to hit, so let's start by shredding this track first. Dropping. Oh, what a dreamy section that is. And that's it, full lap. Wow, Surron, it's the best. I haven't ridden this enough recently. So much fun, look, blood everywhere from all the bracken I've been smashing through. Oh my God, dreams. Let's go and see other fun stuff we can find in the quarry. We just come across this insane little gully here. It's been made by all the rain and it's perfect. You can bomb down it. I'm going to blast a lap with the GoPro and then we'll get a slow motion one with the biggie. That's so unreal. Just found this cool little jump here. Look, you can take off there. It's not big at all, but because the back wheel goes either side of this bit, it kind of makes you do a whip without needing to try. I'll try it on that one and then we'll get a slow-mo of the goats. We just spotted there's this huge runway into this soft bermy bit. Oh look. There's even a thing for you to stand on here, look. That's probably the angle. You stand on there, slow-mo. Oh no, it doesn't have any sound. Ultimate slow-mo, here we go. Nothing happened. That was quite scary to just send it and hope that it was grippy though. Oh no, nothing happened. It was just full speed. By the looks of it then, if I go in the other side, right, look, I'm gonna go upwards and into the outside section because it looks softer and then just explode over the bars there. Not much firing happened, did it? Oh, look, I could wheelie up that hill there the whole way. Oh my God, how did I bring that back? No! Oh! No! Oh my God, how? Oh no, it didn't happen. Oh. Here we go, big wheelie. All the way. Can the Surron do it? Come on. Yeah. Oh my God, just! You probably couldn't even see from there, so I'm gonna claim it. My front wheel literally stopped half a foot from the top. Oh, I'm taking it. That's a huge one. Look back to where I started. That's a world record wheelie hill climb on a surf run, dude. Surf run. Surf. Dude, are you Oh no. Just snap the chain. We're so far from humanity. Why? Oh, I'm not even allowed in here. What if the police come? How are we expected to run from the law with a snapped chain? A couple of days later and a fresh chain arrived from Amazon. Here we go, straight on. And we decided to come to a skate park, see what it's gonna shred like. We'll start off here and then get back into the woods for some more jumps and stuff. Come on. Bit of jump box action. Oh yeah, oh. Oh yeah, that's well good at fakies. Steez. Oh yeah, oh yeah, air would be, oh my God, an air would be insane. Oh yeah, it's kind of possible. That fakie a second ago felt good. Let me see how long I can go out of this. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, there we go. Sick. Let me do one flyby and then we'll go. Right, that's enough of that chab action. Get on, Lou, let's go to the next spot. We come from that mini skate park sesh to the woods. It's super solid in here at the moment because it's mid-summer, so we're not going to destroy anything. So we can hit a few of the step-ups and jumps. Let me start on this little line here. Oh my God, it's so good on this thing. Step down's rad as well. Let me go again. Ooh, that's scary. Let's get a little slows at that. We might go wide, actually. Right, Louis, stand there and I'll try and whip and knock you off the edge of the landing. That whip was well cool, almost knocked you off there, Lubes. Let's do a jump to Manny like Axel Hodges, but like a far less impressive and way uncooler version. Yes! Let's get a cool whip on that step up. Unfortunately, we're running out of time because I've got to pack for the Swatch 9s event, which I'm going to be driving to tomorrow. I've got to pack my whole van up, but I'm just so excited with the Surron, I can't stop. We've come across this pump track here and there's a big double. If I can pull up double into this, I should be able to power and clear this big gap here. Actually quite massive and proper fork snappy. Fly went in my mouth while I was coming along, so I swallowed it. That's so horrible. I was so happy, like. Oh. Right, let's do it. That's actually a crazy gap. It's not huge, but from the run up, it shows you how much power a Surron actually has to be able to clear that far from nothing. Love it so much. We've run out of time though, but if you want to see more Surron action, please let me know. This is so good. I hadn't been in it for such a long time and now I'm addicted to it again. See you in the next one.